Hello, welcome to the Botanical Night. That's the valley of the Kizu River, southeast of Kyoto, and today is October 16. So I was walking all this path with my flashlight and looked on the plants around me and found very strange things. From the distance, it looks like kind of parasitic mushrooms. So this is a bit strange, and a really large ones. And I came closer, and these are fruits of chocolate wine, of Akebia. Akebia is very interesting plant. It belongs to buttercup order Ronculilis and to separate very funny family Lardizabaceae. That family has many characters which are extremely ancient. For example, in female flowers, pistils are not fully closed, so there is still kind of slit in between two margins of this carpel, which several carpels will form that female flower. So these flowers are pollinated, and I think that chocolate wine mostly the name of the color, kind of brownish, purplish color of the flower. So that's strange, brownish, purplish flowers with slightly open carpels are pollinated. And during the summer, they form very large fruits. So these fruits contain several follicles. Each follicle is very similar to the pod of legumes, but there are several differences. So first of all, they are very large and juicy, so wall is kind of real thick. Second, seeds are sitting on kind of central line or dispersed on the whole surface of each follicle. And seeds are sitting in that semi-liquid substance, which, by the way, is quite sweet. My basic idea about seed distribution is follows. So plant will open these follicles, and then it is likely that birds will be attracted with these bright, dark seeds and brown, yellowish follicles, and then will come here, eat this semi-liquid sweet substance, and distribute seeds, for example, on their beaks. So that's a way of seed distribution which might be useful in case of Akebia, of chocolate wine. So this chocolate wine uses kind of bird distribution with sticky seeds, things which are not infrequent in plant world, but very interesting in that particular group. Interesting is also what I just found. I read about it that stems of Akebia are extremely fibrous and used in many native tribes in Asia as a replacement of ropes. So yes, that's really extremely tough and it's hard to break it. So this is lots of fibers inside. So that's one of natural fiber plant as well. So these are very interesting mushroom-like, at least on some view, edible, sweet fruits of chocolate wine. So this is again the valley of Kizu River on October 16. Thank you very much.